Hello everyone and welcome to GeniusFX. My name is Abdul Wahab and I want to be real with you right from the start. I am not a millionaire trader or some guru with a Lamborghini and all those luxurious lifestyles. I am still on my trading journey just like you. I have losing days, I have blown accounts, and I thought of quitting many times. This may probably be your first time of hearing this. Most people here pretend to be profitable or millionaires, but in real life they are not actually profitable. I haven't made it yet. Sometimes I win and sometimes I lose, and that is the reality of the game. I am here to document to you the real process of learning the skills, without the luxurious lifestyle, without the fake screenshots, and with no story of flipping $10 account into $10,000 in just 2 weeks. We are tired of those stories. I am tired and I know you are also tired of those stories. I have created this beginner to pro Forex trading course to take you from absolute zero knowledge to trading like a pro. This series is for everyone who is curious about trading. We are starting from absolute zero. So if you never opened a chart before, or if you don't have a PC or a laptop, don't panic. By the end of this series, you will learn how to use trading platforms like the TradingView and then the Meta 5 to make analysis and catch real trades like a pro. Most of the gurus online are those who are really making trading hard for us. They show you the wins, the fancy cards, and then the luxurious lifestyles. So you think by just drawing a trend line or marking up a support and resistance, you can buy a Lamborghini from it.
That was easy! $2,000 just like that?
But they don't show you the actual grind, the discipline, the psychology, and the hard work it takes to get there. Trading is not a get-rich-quick game. And most of us jump into trading because of what we see online, those luxurious lifestyles. So we came into trading with those mindsets.
I'm gonna make $1 million! I'm gonna be rich!
And end up losing more and more. In this series, we are going to learn together, fall and rise together, and hopefully succeed together. Here is what you will learn in this series if you stick to me. In this series, you will learn Forex trading in general from the basics. We will then look at the candlestick anatomy, the market trends, and some basic candlestick patterns. You'll be able to use trading platforms like the TradingView and then the Meta 5 to make analysis and catch real trades with your PC and even the mobile versions if you don't have PC. You also learn the basic trading terminologies like pips, lots, margin, leverage, spread, equity, and other smart money terms. You will move step by step into advanced strategies used by real traders, the banks, and then the big players. And if you stick to me to the end, you will understand how to analyze the market, place trades, manage risks, control psychology, and actually trade with confidence and not guessing. We're diving into episode 1 that starts with what is Forex. So let's make this super simple. Forex is an abbreviation of foreign exchange. It's like when you travel to a foreign country. They have their domestic currency different from yours. You have to change your currency to their domestic currency. So you have probably already participated in the Forex market before. It's like changing the dollar to euros, cedis to naira, yen to dollar, and so on. But the difference here is that instead of changing for traveling purpose, traders like us do it for profit. We exchange currencies when we believe the value of a currency will go up or down as compared to the other currency. So we can buy at low price and sell at high price, or we sell at high and then buy back at low price. Thousands of people travel daily, millions of business transactions, billions of bank transfers, and that is why the Forex market is the biggest financial market in the world, with over $7 trillion traded single day. Those banks, institutions, and the big players are those who move the market. We, the retail traders, are the small fishes. We cannot move the market, so our job is to spot where the big players are flowing so that we can swim in the same direction with them. Anyone who tells you they have a secret system to beat the market is lying. Even the big players don't beat the market, but they play smart. We all know what currencies are. Almost every country in the world have their currency. And currency pair, just like a pair of shoes, a pair of socks, and a pair of earrings. A currency pair is comparing two different currencies in value, such that when the other currency rises, the other falls, and the vice versa. The Euro USD is the most common currency pair. The first currency, the Euro, is the base currency, and the second currency, the dollar, is the quote currency. So what moves the market? It is simple: supply and demand. And the change in supply and demand is affected by real-world events. When the supply is low, the demand rises. Let's look at this scenario. In most African countries, they usually face water scarcity in the dry season, and a single gallon of water is sold at high price. But in the rainy season, no one is there to sell water. This is because in the dry season, the supply of water is very low, so the price rises. But in the rainy season, when there is frequent rains, the weather is cold, so people drink less water. There is no dusty winds to stain or dirty things, so washing and cleaning decreases. So the demand is very low, and then the price decreases. That is exactly how the value of currencies also rises and falls. Things like the interest rate, economic data like the CPI and the GDP, major political events like elections or geopolitical conflicts, just like the recent tariffs, are those that affects the supply and demand of currencies. I know that was a lot of theory, but these are the basics most traders really lack. It's a foundation I wish I had when I started. But before we get into episode 2, if you are tired of fake gurus and want to follow the real Jenny, subscribe to this channel, hit the like button, and also share with your friends. And most importantly, leave a comment. Remember, we are learning together. So tell me in the comment section what you think I did right or wrong. Let's build a community of real traders, learning and profiting together. This is GeniusFX, where you will learn trading the real and authentic way. Learn, trade, and profit.